You gonna show me where you want that? Good eyeball it.
Yep, just like that right there.
Okay. Now you have to slide it sideways so I can see where the screw is so I can measure it.
Huh?
How far are you below the surface?
It's a little bit. See, but it looks kind of.
Yeah, well, you got to tell me what that is.
Oh, I don't know.
Well, I don't know either.
We got you. I'll hold it. You measure.
Well, I can't measure the bowl holes over about in this area here, so you got to slide it over enough to see the bowl hole. Find the bowl hole.
Can you see it?
No. No, I can. Kind of. There's kind of a hole.
There's one.
Slide it over further. Next to the edge. Right there. Right about in that area. Okay, put it where you want it. Then I got to mark it. It would be off by 100th thou because you're a shitty way of doing it. It's better to find out how much you want to be below the surface. And I can do it a lot easier and more accurate. How far do you want to be below the surface? Want to get a few thou below, or you want to be a long ways below?
Like a couple thou below.
A couple thou? Way more than a couple thou that you're showing there. That's not a damn thin ass parallel. Okay. You want to be that far below? Or you want to be less than that?
Just like that.
Lay it on the table. Over here. Up against the table. Yeah, up against the table. Okay, is that where you want it? Can't hold it. No, it slides too much. Stupid chrome is too slippery. Don't poke yourself.
Yep, looks good.
So you want that number? Whatever that is?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to shift that Tatro because we're on the wrong damn thing over here. So you want something that's going to be like that.
Yep.
I can't tell. Even this is kind of a hokey way of doing it. Grab the parallel.
Thought I had it.
I know you did.
I thought I had it.
Yeah, kind of lined up sort of where you want it to be, but I'm not sure. You should be able. Okay, now if we mark it this way,
Mm-hmm.
so I know where the stinking hole is at,
Mm-hmm.
then
Just measure from the edge in, right?
we can mark it from this way. I'm going to do a measurement too, because I got an idea what you're after. But we're going to do a double mark and measure, that way I can see the error. In case your numbers are off again like they were last time, remember that? Yeah. Okay, you have to go over there and mark it. So take the mark, transfer it to the plate.
Okay.
Running the money?
Yeah. It's like it's to the top of that, just so you know. My mark on the plate is at the top of that fat mark.
So you're way off.
It's not off, that's a fat mark, so it's on the top of it.
So that's about where the mark was, like that?
Mm-hmm.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so now, there's the pin cap. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this dimension here. Lousy job of filming.
Sorry.
It's 50 thou. .050. Anyway, came off your straight edge here. This direction, we can use this plate instead. Okay, so you're coming perpendicular off that surface, right?
Mm-hmm.
Measure this distance here. You're an odd number. You're like 930-ish or so.
Just make it an inch.
That's going to be way off where you want it.
Not that far. You're about
About 930, 940.
Just make it an inch. It's gonna be fine. Make it 1 inch for you. It's gonna be perfect.
930. 1 inch should be below the surface a little bit.
Yeah, that's okay.
So we're at .980 right now.
I kind of had it that way.
Kind of had it which way?
Below the surface.
Yeah, 60 thousandths, or that'd be 80 thou down. That's not what you had. Now, if you put a big radius on this, you could cheat and make it look like you're blowing that way.
Because I kind of had it about like that.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that'd probably be your 1 inch mark, don't you think? Let me see.
No,
Watch. Hold it right there.
I'm looking at this mark here. I'm right there.
Pretty damn close.
The 1 inch should be down here.
Just make it the 1 inch. If it's easier, just make it the 1 inch. It'll be perfect.
It's not easy. I can put any number you want.
Okay.
All I gotta do is cut the damn thing. It's not one or the other. It's just punch the hole and do it. The hardest thing I got is open his vise though, because it's so far out. He's not paying attention again over here. Where's that camera operator when you need it?
Sorry, I'm thinking about work tomorrow.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Likely excuse. Now this is 6-inch vise or 5 3/4 inch vise.
Oh, come on. It's 5 3/4, damn it.
See, I can't hold it. Damn. Shit.
Do you have something that'll like in here?
No, I don't have anything that's going to cheat.
I know you have something like that, Tatro. Some kind of L bracket
No, I don't.
chingus that'll make it cheat.
I've got some chinguses, but I don't have that kind of a chingus. I have other chinguses I can use though. I'm not limited by a crappy vise that ain't big enough to use. I don't know why the hell you got this crappy vise over here anyway. It's obviously inadequate.
Get in my way.
Another problem's too far over here.
Round and round.
Watch me hit this one right off the floor.
Bam!
Boom.
Bye-bye.
See how you do that? It's all about the momentum, not overall strength. Of course, I pick it up anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, let's need to get over this way.
Nitrous.
What size do you want?
1 inch.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Nope, 980. Remember the number. You're trying to confuse me again.
Because it's... No. Actually, I'm trying to make it simpler.
It's not
Because
simpler.
1 inch is just way easier to remember than 980.
Maybe for you, but not me. I'm going to put this over here like this. I can go like that. Which gives me away my holes, so I can move them out a little bit.
Are you gonna put 3 holes or just 2?
3? What do you need 3 holes for?
I don't know. There's 3 holes in that bracket on there.
How many holes you gonna use?
However many you drill me.
I don't know why you need 3 holes. There's only 2 holes to go through. Why do you want more holes? How come that stud's so short?
Bring it. We need longer studs. Longer all thread.
I had longer in there. Not all thread, the studs.
Oh.
All threads have threads the whole length. These are also heat treated too. These are way above grade 8. So what numbers you want?
980. You convinced me
I convinced you what?
to just go with 980.
No. Why?
Because that's what you have wrote down.
Ah. It doesn't work very good, does it?
If you put it on the inside, get a shorter one.
Sorta. If we go like this. That better?
Mm-hmm.
Straight?
Sure.
You want the oil filter to be at a weird angle? Or you want to be straight?
Straight would be nice.
Oh, you want perfect straight. That means I have to work harder. So you want me to get this head straight? That's what you're saying. Other side. You're my way again. Mario's not going to be happy. I'm using my damn indicator again. Whatever you want. 0. That's way off.
Oh, and it's getting bigger. Hey! Bingo.
Yeah.
Just wants to keep growing. Oh.
Ooh, come back. Came back. Look at that.
It's got a little wave in it.
Somebody didn't file it flat right there. Who didn't do their job?
This guy.
Look at that. One. It's almost 2,000 low spot there. Then it gets high over here. Oh, then it drops off. Technically it needs to go that way by another 1,000. Can you be air 1,000 okay with you?
Yeah.
You can live with that?
I can.
You sure?
So can the oil filter.
The oil filter won't know the difference?
Oil cooler filter
This is a
slash.
precision job we're doing here. Mario's going to make fun of me again.
Have to listen, see his comments and review later on the video.
Wait until Fred gets in here and tells me how I put my CB in my car with on the mill. To the thousands. He still makes fun of that.
The CB?
The CB, yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah. We gotta be accurate.
Oh, yeah, it's important. When
It might have been just a mic. I forget.
Mountain the CB.
Is that how you're supposed to do the CB?
Yeah, oh, of course.
Exactly.
I know that's how I mounted mine.
Right to the thou of the mill. On the plastic dash.
Where was it? In O'Reilly's. I said, hey man, do you guys got any antennas for CBs? And he's like, what's that? I said, a CB, you know? And he's like, what? And the other guy looks at him, his partner, and he goes, whoa. I told him, he goes, oh, I've seen one of those.
On YouTube.
Yeah.
What's this? Oh, I couldn't see that side. Edge finder. When it goes over center, it flips over to one side. Like that.
Wow.
Always want to double check the numbers. What ours went. That's 2/10 there. 2/10 there, you can have that. Right there, then 3 more tenths there. Okay, we'll live with that. Are you happy with that?
Yep.
You sure? Now you go
I'm
100
always
thou.
happy.
Now you go 100 thou. You know why you go 100 thou? It's a tenth, of course. Come on, back up. Okay. That's 200 thick. Half of it's 100. Okay. What's your dimension on this to this? Remember? We didn't measure that, did we?
No.
Sure you can measure it? What's the other number? How fat is this? You know?
Thought it was 6 inches. Oh, that 3/8. Wasn't it 3/8?
From here to here.
Oh,
You know the number? It doesn't really matter. We'll just go find the edge on this side. But that's been sanded on. Let's get a little bit further over. You can measure divide by 2, or you take the number up here and divide by 2. There. That's 61. Here's our number up there. What's the number?
6.1609.
6.161 divided by 2 equals 308 feet. Oh, went too far. Yep, overdid it. We can live with a 10th there, can't we?
Mm-hmm.
0. Okay. Do you want a hole in the center too or not?
Huh?
Do you need a hole in the center? I don't know why you need a hole in the center. You can put one in there if you want. It's up to you. You want a hole in the center for some reason? You can put a hole through your bolt. You want to put a hole right through here?
No.
You might hit oil. Be like in Texas. Hit oil.
Yeah, I didn't find shit, Tatro.
Well, you can't have nothing then.
Well, I did find a bunch of stuff that I want, but I don't have time for that right now.
Okay. So this
I
we're
found
gonna
a
have
fucking.
to
You got a
figure out.
BSA crinkle hub mounted to a fucking little ram over there that I want.
All right, we got interrupted there. Okay, so I measured the holes across here, center to center. Looks like we're 4.5 inches, which is easy to figure that one out. 4.5 inches. So we take that, divide it by 2, which would be 2.25 inches. So we go over 2.25 inches on each way, each side from 0 will be the number we want. Somewhere about in that area. Ooh, close. 2.250. Close, close. Ooh, 1/10 off. Come on, 1/10. There it is. 2.250. Okay, and then we had the 9 something number, 980.
Okay, alright. I got it.
980. I went too far.
Yeah, now I
Do, 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 do.
Alright, so
980.
I'll meet you there.
Almost, we're getting there. It's coming up quick. Boop, boop, boop. Come on. One more. There it is. Perfect. So he wants a hole right here, and another one on the other side. So now we're on center and on size. Okay, we don't need our center edge finder no more. In case anybody wants to know what that was an edge finder. Okay, it's pretty hard now. I don't know what to do.
Huh? Just start drilling. And I've made you make a couple holes sooner or later.
It's really hard now. What number do you want up here?
980.
I can make that any number you want.
I say make it 1 inch because it's
I can
nice,
do it.
even one number.
I can put it anywhere you want. 1 inch should put you that far over.
Yeah.
980
No, I wanted it 1 inch.
put you that far over.
I do want it at 1 inch.
See, that's not what you had over here. See?
Mm-hmm. Make it the even one inch.
See,
Now, that way I'll sleep at night.
Yeah, I gotta sleep. He's
I,
gonna be pissed.
I want it to be lower, actually.
Look at this, see? We take our hole and go like this, and we put it at 1 inch, and he'd have to move this thing out to about here. If we leave it at 980 where he wanted it before, he's got a 50 thou gap between his top and side.
I still think 1 inch would look better.
I don't know, 1 inch is gonna have the bracket hanging way above it by 20 more thou than this. That'd be the thickness of that. Because this is about 15, 16 thou.
You know what? I'll let you just drill it wherever you want. How's
See,
that?
if you just put up this far here like this, now you'll get your 1 inch. See,
Yep.
see your 1 inch right there?
Yep.
Still not quite 1 inch yet. It's even more than that, really. I'm thinking we're going to go with 980. Because I know what you wanted the first time, not the number you think you want. Okay, what size hole you want?
What is that? Quarter inch?
It appears to be a 1/4 inch hole to me.
1/4 inch?
So you're thinking you want a 1/4 inch hole in there.
Probably a little bit bigger than a 1/4 inch.
How much bigger than a 1/4 inch do you want?
One that's going to allow a 1/4 inch bolt to go through.
1/4 inch bolt? It'd be like a 1/4 inch then, wouldn't it? What's the slope? Geez, that was pretty hard to do. 1/4 inch. You got a drill? Maybe. It's in there.
Mm-hmm. What number? 0.246? There's no 5 or 2.5.
Is that a 1/4 inch hole?
I'm guessing it's a 1/4 inch. I don't know.
What's the next one up? How close do you want it to be?
257.
257. Sounds like you're in letter drills to me. Are those letters?
We got E, F, G. We got the
That would
alphabet.
be like a letter then, wouldn't it? Let's
Yeah.
give me a, yeah, well, give me the 257 drill.
So you want an F.
F for screwed up. So this is going to make it 7 thou bigger than the bolt. Actually, bolts are about 5 under, so you're still got about 10 thou clearance. I'll make it nice and loose. You'll be happy. Like that. Pretty hard to do that. And then you want not that number. Oh, it's 1/10 off. Can you live with that? I don't know. Enough.
Perfect.
Perfectional.
Perfect.
Not the right one. This is a really nice drill. Is this a brand new drill bit?
Went in like butter.
I think that was a brand new drill bit. Probably cobalt too. It's colored. Look at that shape.
Bam!
20 thou wide like it's supposed to be. Can't do that up by hand.
No.
Mario's not going to be happy again.
Poor Mario.
Jeez. I don't know what we're going to do about that. Is that the correct way of doing it now?
Mm-hmm.
Where's your tool at? It's your fault if it don't fit, remember that.
Usually is.
That's right. Yeah, filming again.
Oh. You gotta quit moving.
I keep working here, I don't know what's up with that.
Need to get like a panoramic.
See my Google glasses, what you waiting for?
Mm-hmm.
So they can follow me around everywhere. Where's your 1/4 inch bolts at?
Well, there's two. That's
Yeah,
what came
but
with
those
it.
aren't going to work.
No.
No. Look at the thickness of those things.
Look at that.
I need some more length there, boss. I need a lot more length. I'm thinking like a 1/2 inch more length. Those aren't quite drilled all the way down either. We're going to try bottoming tapping those a little bit to get a little extra holding power out of it. Yeah, camera's on top of the vacuum cleaner now. Let's see, what do we got over here? 1/4 20. Massage one. That looks like it's been modified. Ooh, look at that.
Here, try this.
Ooh, look at how much more thread we got. That was like 2 turns.
There you go.
Ooh, that's a nice looking bolt. Where'd you steal that from?
Out of your junk bolt.
I like that chrome plated hardware. You didn't show that on camera though.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at those nice, shiny, chrome plated bolts.
Actually, it's gotta be.
Okay, that's deeper now. Do you mind if I take this bolt off of here?
No, we can do it.
You didn't make a new plate up yet, remember? Maybe I put that on correctly. I think the letters are on this side. Where's the letters at? Yep, it was on there like that originally. Look at that. Click, click, goes in. Where's your bolt? your other bolt.
Yeah, wait, I think this one might work, but it might be a little long.
Does it thread right in like it's supposed to?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, jeez. I'm thinking that one's too long.
A little bit. I thought we were just going for a quick little mock-up. Hey, look at that. Huh?
Spacer. Tight. Nope. Here's metric. Running out of bolts. Allen's. Probably all metric over here anyway.
It's that one right there in front of you.
Which one?
That long one.
This one?
Yeah.
Is that the right one?
Jeez, I see that from 10 feet away.
No, I couldn't.
Huh?
I'm at an angle.
Right there. It was the angle.
Look at that.
There you go.
Looks like it's designed that way. Is that where you wanted it?
That's it.
You sure? Put it on the bike, let's see what happens.
Alright, Tatro, this is what I think I can do.